Hello, my name is Amy Malo. I'm in my third term with the MED program through SUNY Empire, and kind of getting used to Screencast-O-Matic. I think it looks like a really neat program. So the program I'm going to show is Quizlet, which I think others might have shown as well. It's a really handy program. I teach social studies. This year I'm teaching U.S. history, AP U.S. history, and global one. So a lot of different things to cover. But I really feel like a lot of social studies is vocabulary, as most content areas. So Quizlet's really great for reinforcing vocabulary, for introducing it, and then revisiting it, using it, to help prepare for assessments and things like that. So go down to my U.S. history class, and wait a minute, where is it? um, well, I guess we can do World War One. This was shared with me by the other teacher at my school. So say we're starting the World War One unit, I put this on Classroom. So the study set, that's what they refer to, the terms and definitions would be posted on Classroom. And as my school and my department are moving, and myself are moving more towards personalized learning, Quizlet's a really useful tool for that, because I can, the terms and the definitions and understanding those and the significance of those, that's the expectation. But there's lots of different ways that the student can interact with that material in order to make meaning of these terms and things. Um, so usually, I don't know why these are flipped, but usually I encourage them to do flashcards first, if that's what they prefer. But I usually just give them some time and they can kind of get comfortable with it. So, there's the terms and the definitions. They can do that. Um, the Learn feature is sort of like a little quiz for them, which I remind them I'm not really grading. It's more just for them. It has the questions and the answers. And then I will have the class do some rounds of Quizlet Live, which is super fun. I can't really show you that because I don't have any participants, but um, basically it's like Google Classroom. Sorry, my dog just jumped on the bed. um, it puts a code up and the students join, and then it lumps them into teams and it gets competitive and fun. So my time's almost up. So this is Quizlet. It's good fun, and I like Screencast-O-Matic. I look forward to working with you all.